Writer's Toolbox has been built to create a world where there's always help at hand when you're writing something.
Fast feedback gives this, and the other great feature that supports you are the writing tools.
So let's jump inside Novelist and we'll show you what we mean.
The writing tools always sit to the right of the page.
You can open and close any tool, remove them from the screen, and bring them back again.
You can also position your writing tools wherever you want them on your screen.
And when you come back later, the tools will be just where you left them.
So let's have a look at some of the tools on Novelist to show you how this works.
The Hot Tips tool is especially useful. Open any category, then select a topic you'd like to know more about.
Immediately, a further hot tip is opened with advice to help you do that skill better.
Everything from how to write more clearly, to using metaphors, to storylines and characters.
You can have as many open as you want.
All the 12 sentence styles are in the Sentence tool. And at any time, you can see examples of sentence styles written by different authors.
Watch a video to learn more about sentence styles.
Blow it up large to fill your whole screen.
You can select any sentence style you want to write. And if you want to try a sentence out, select Insert, and a handy scaffold will drop right inside where you're writing.
Follow the prompts for each part of the sentence. Remove the prompts and see what the sentence looks like.
When you're happy, drop it into your piece of writing.
This exact same functionality is available for writing paragraphs.
You can select from a range of paragraph styles.
You can watch videos, see examples, and also insert a scaffold inside your piece to help you write your paragraph.
Again, when you're happy with your work, drop it in. As a result, you get just the sort of support you need to keep your ideas flowing and well structured.
I like to use imagery to help me write, and we have a tool for doing just that. You can add images from your desktop or upload them. And if you want an image in your writing, it's as simple as drag and drop.
There's also a thesaurus tool, so that you can search for alternative words and swap out your writing.
And if you are stuck with what sentence style to use, try the sentence spinner.
That's right, give it a whirl. Click on the selected sentence and that style will immediately appear, ready for you to use.
The Tools menu itself sits at the top of your screen and has a selection of handy tools for you to use. You can add or subtract as many tools as you want.
So try out the Tools menu and give your writing the help it deserves.